to my channel. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I want to say a huge welcome to you as well. Also a huge happy holidays and happy new year. Hopefully you have a prosperous new year. And if you haven't already and you love product reviews, hair reviews, we have a little bit of everything on my channel, even DIYs. So if you do like those kind of videos, why don't you go ahead and join the family, hit that subscribe button. And while you're at that, hit that alert bell so you can be up to date when I upload new videos. So yeah, let's get into this video. This review is going to be on this Dollar Smile by Whitening Lightning, aka Gerard Cosmetics. We're going to see how white I can get my teeth in 20 minutes. So it says whiter teeth in just 20 minutes. And this has 3 complete professional treatment, a pin and kit combo. It comes with this Hollywood pin. It's sort of super booster teeth whitening pin, Hollywood's favorite. We're gonna see just how white I can get my teeth. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now just a little tidbit, if you don't already know, Gerard Cosmetics, hence cosmetics, also have other things like lipstick, lip gloss, setting sprays. So if you're interested, you should go ahead and check out their website. I'll leave all information in the description box below. So what you get in this pack, which kind of fell out for me, is this whitening pin, and then you get your instructions, and you have this LED. I'm sorry guys, I am a little under the weather. I've been trying to get over the flu, and I'm also asthmatic, so that combination you already know doesn't really work well. So this is the light, the LED light. Here is the gel. It says mini handheld LED light. Gel syringe contains 3 treatments. Dispensing tube, applicator brush, and then the instructions. You also get instructions here. I'll show you what this looks like. I'll show you the back, how it comes. So it says match the color of your teeth, the shade finder, which is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the mirror right quick to match my teeth. And it seems like my teeth is a level 8. So we right here. Now we did that. It says coat the gums and lips with the vitamin E swab. Well, first you want to do is go ahead and wipe all this gorgeous lipstick off. Then you want to go ahead and coat the teeth and lips with the vitamin E swab. And on your gums. Okay. This next step is, step 3 is brush on a healthy amount of gel. You want to take some of the gel, push them into this cap. So you want to pour some of the gel in there, like so. And go ahead and replace that cap back on so you don't spill. So you want to take this, you want to dip this brush in here, and then you want to pour a generous amount onto your teeth and try to avoid putting this onto your gums. Now I will say I'm getting a bit of a menthol taste of here. After applying, you want to go ahead and put this light on. Do not swallow this stuff, just like dentist stuff. So here you go, and put it in my mouth. There's the light for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. So it says you want to go ahead and use this teeth wipe that comes in here, and you want to put it on your index fingers, and then you want to lightly scrub the surface of the tooth. Now, this has a menthol taste. That's just like toothpaste. Now let's go ahead and see how much lighter my teeth got. So I'm gonna look away for just a minute. So I was an 8. The product did work, and it lightened my teeth up about 2 shades, which bring me to about a 6. So it lightened my teeth up to about 6. Now it does say if you want even more of a lift, you can go ahead and with the pin, but I'm personally not going to do that right now because I think that was enough whitening for me for one day. But you can go ahead and with the pen if you want it lighter, or you can go ahead and do that step again. For me, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it with the product that I use because I do have sensitive teeth naturally, which I was born with. Just a quick, I guess, disclaimer. I have a rare, so the dentist says, condition where my mom was probably sick when she was pregnant with me, and my enamel on my teeth did not fully develop. So I don't have all my enamel naturally. So I don't want to go ahead and damage my teeth by continuing to whitening it, you know, back to back like that. Now, I will say that I did feel some tingling, a little bit of a pain, just a little bit, but I will say it did lighten my teeth about 2 shades. There was a little tingling from the solution of the gel, more of a menthol feel. It feels like if you're going to go to the dentist and you get that enamel put onto your teeth, that they brush across your teeth, that's what it feels like. As far as the brush, the little pad to wipe your teeth, that tastes like toothpaste. All in all, I say I do like the product. It did what it said it would do. It lightened up 2 shades within 20 minutes. And if this is for someone who just wants a quick whitening, it may work better for you, or you can go ahead and repeat the process. But I do like it. I feel like it worked. I want to say a huge thank you to Gerard Cosmetics for sending me out this product. I love my teeth. They feel absolutely clean and shiny and squeaky. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.